Well, hello friends, welcome back to my channel again, Code with me. So friends, this is another topic of HTML which is found to be extremely important even for the college and official projects also. So this might be one of the small topics, but this is also found to be one of the core topic in HTML. So if you're working as a web developer or you're working as a graphical user interfaces, you have to ensure that you have to know the every single tags about HTML. So HTML is color tags is one of the most interesting and important topic in HTML. So in this session, we'll be discussing about the basic important steps and the basic important topic that has to be covered in HTML colors. So friends, what is as usually I'm asking what is colors? So colors is nothing but a colors. We have multiple different colors. So in HTML, we make use of colors in order to make use of assume you want any red background, assume you want any green background to particular context only, or you want any colorful borders, or you want any colorful texts. So in this scenario, make use of HTML colors. Okay. So starting with definition, friends, HTML colors are associated with the predefined color names. Exactly. So the definition is says nothing but this color is nothing but a predefined color names. If I enter red, it will display red. If I enter green, it will display green. So in this session of HTML, friends, we'll be discussing about what is this background colors, color texts, and border colors. So friends, so for instance, I'll be taking this out. If you want to note down the theory that I've done, I request you to kindly please pause the video and note down the points. So I'll be directly jumping with the coding part. Okay. So let's start with the doc type HTML. I'm sorry, doc type HTML. Okay, and followed by head tag. Now closing of the head tag. Head tag, friends, I will give it a title. Okay. And followed by the closing of the title. So in this heading is apply heading, friends, HTML colors. Okay. So after the head tag, I'll be making use of body tag. Body tag, closing of the body tag, and last but not least, closing of the HTML tag. Oh, I'm sorry, not written the HTML tag here. Opening tag. HTML tag. Okay. So friends, now you can clearly see here I successfully entered the syntax of HTML. Now let's directly jump to the coloring part. As you friends, I'll be giving a paragraph. Okay. Let me get as HTML is very interesting program. Okay. Followed by closing of the paragraph. So when I run the program, you can clearly see it is different as HTML is a very interesting program. Okay. Now you can clearly see the entire output area is white. Now I want red. Okay. How shall I make this? Here you can see here in the part of I'm sorry. Here in this body part, friends, I'll just make use of give it here style. Okay. Style VOLO or blue. Okay. And it's in a column. So friends, now when I run the program, you can clearly see here the context is completely turned to blue. Okay. So now I want the background to be blue. So what should I do, friends? I'll just take this thing color. I'll let it as BACHROUNE. Okay. So when I try to run the program, please here the background went blue while the context, the sentence remains as black. So friends, so this is all about I try to encode this style attribute inside the body tag. What will do, friends? I'll just take this thing out. Okay. I'll try adding only to this particular construct of HTML. Now when I try to run the program, you can see here See, if I increase a friend, please listen carefully here. I'll take this thing, okay, style attribute. Instead of paragraph tag, I'll encode in body tag. So when I run the program, the entire output area is completely blue. Okay. So by declaring the style attribute background color blue in your body tag, the entire area of the output will be turned to blue. So I'll just take this style attribute of inside the body tag, and I'll try to code inside the paragraph tag. When I try to encode the paragraph tag, only the context will be enlarged blue. This is called as background color flags. This is how you make use of background color in HTML. Okay. So friends, now what I have to now the thing is now I want only context to be red. Okay. So instead of background, I'll just take this as background. Okay. I'll give instead of blue, I'll give red. Okay. So when I try to run the program, so when I run the program, right, only the HTML context will turn red. You can clearly see here, HTML is very interesting program. You can clearly see here, friends. I have made use of only color. I have not made use of any background color. I have plainly used as color equals red. So this HTML very only this context, this HTML is very interesting program will turn into red. If we make use of background, the entire screen will be covered. That is called a difference between background color and text colors. Okay, so I'll make use of another one. Another sentence. Sorry. So HTML is a very cool language. Okay, now I run the program. You can see here HTML is a very cool program. So instead of red, I'll make use of gold. Okay. So when I run the program, you can see here, first is converted to red and next is converted to gold. So friends, what I will do, I'll take this thing, copy it here. I'm sorry, I'll copy this here, okay? And inside of the body tag, I'll mark here and I'll mark it as background color equals yellow. Let me give blue. Okay. So when I run the program, you can clearly see here, the background is completely turned blue, while the first context HTML is a very interesting program is turned red, and HTML is very cool program is turned gold. This is how we make use of text colors and background colors inside the HTML. Okay. So friends, now if you ask me a question, sir, can I add text color followed by background color at the same time? Of course you can. So what I will do is just copy this background color blue. Okay. Let's take this thing out. Okay, let's take this thing out. So instead of red here, let's give a space. Let a copy here. Okay. So when I try to another program, in clearly here, I'm sorry. So I'm sorry. So when I run the program, in clearly here, print red and yellow. Now speaking about border color, how shall I give border to my context? Is there any possible ways to give the borders according to my pixels or my measurements? Of course you can. See, if instead of this color red, I'll take this thing out and let it as border. Okay, border equals pixels, 2 pixels assume, 2 pixels solid. So as a default, if you run the program as a default, it will take as black border. Okay. Okay, now I want green border. Okay, instead of what I'll do is after the solid, I'll make use of green. Okay. So now when I run the program, click here, the border is turned completely red. Okay, sir, I assume that green, but can I make the border a little more lengthy? And of course you can. So instead of 2, I'll make use of 8. So when I run the program, friends, you can clearly see here, the pixel of the border is increased dramatically. It can be updated based on your measurements. Okay, so okay, friends. For instance, I'll be giving a 5. It look ideal. Okay, now I want to give the border to this also. Can I give it? Of course, you can. Let's take this thing out. Let's copy it. Take this thing out and paste it. Okay. So here, what we'll do is here I'll make use of 4 pixels instead of 3. I'll make use of red. Okay. Now when I run the program, see what happens. Exactly. So friends, this is how you make use of colors in HTML. Okay. So friends, if you have any doubt regarding the HTML colors request, if you kindly please pin down your doubts in the comment section. I'll definitely reply you back. And if you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice life, friends. Keep sharing. Love you all. Bye.